Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will share you an interesting trick. When we're using these kinds of devices, Samsung Galaxy, well, before we get to this trick, if you are a Samsung Galaxy user, and you like the icons pack, like this, you can watch the video from the day before. I have shared how can we change the icons pack on our Samsung Galaxy devices without having to use a third-party launcher. In the video today, we're going to come up with a trick. When we're using these kinds of devices, Samsung Galaxy, when we access in any applications on phone, we can use the left finger gesture, swipe down, and we can to quickly open other applications through this hand operation. Quickly and easily. We can move the upper finger, all the applications. When we release finger on app, then we'll have immediate access to that app. And the second one, on the right hand, as we swipe down, then we can zoom out quickly that application easily, so that we can use these apps in this kind of floating window. Now, we're going to set up and use this trick on our Samsung Galaxy devices. At default on Samsung Galaxy devices, we don't have a swipe down gesture like this. Can't quickly open applications, and we can't quickly zoom out the applications we will set up together and use on our Samsung Galaxy devices. First, you will access the Galaxy Store. Next, let's search for an application. You're going to install the goodlock app on your device. And the second application, we will install one hand operation plus into our device as well. After installed goodlock and one hand operation plus, exit to home screen and access inside the goodlock. At this screen of goodlock app, select Life Up tab, open one hand operation plus. Switch on the features of one hand operation plus. First, custom features of left handle. Press to enter to custom. Select diagonal down features. Scroll down and find the features. Quick launcher. Press again, diagonal down. Before we choose quick launcher features, you can click on the gear icon and active all of this. Below, we'll choose the columns of app, as well as the applications that can appear when diagonal down gesture. Example, 3 columns of applications. And this is number 4. Number 2. Next, we'll customize it to the right hand operation. Press right handle to custom. Choose diagonal down features to custom. And you also scroll down. Here we're going to choose a task. Minimize pop-up windows features. Like this, and exit to home screen. Now that we're using these devices, then you can swipe the operation hands from the left, cross down. We can quickly open applications. Just put your finger to that app, and you release your hands. It will open the app, and inside the app, we can still use these features. The one on the right is, when we're swiping down, then we'll minimize the window of the application in an easy way like this. We can shrink the application window into a bubble. And now, for example, you need to zoom out more applications. Then you can swipe to open multitasking screen. Press and hold application and pull it out in the middle like this. Now, you can click on it and shrink it, and we can use 2 or 3 applications at a time, like this. So after we've scaled down a lot of applications into a bubble, you can click here now, and we can use all of applications at the same time on a screen of a Samsung device. With one hand operation plus, we can completely customize it, the hand operations of the finger on the left as well as the right finger easily. It allows us to use the devices. It's also faster than this. Later, for example, if you don't want to use one hand operation plus features, you can access inside the goodlock, and we select one hand operation plus and turn off. Now, our devices back to normal, and there's no more diagonal down features. Can't quickly open and minimize applications. I hope you will like this trick. Thank you very much for watching video. See you in the next videos coming soon.